and this video will show you how to publish your Lovable AI app on App Store. First of all, you need to go to Lovable AI, go to your projects, and choose your project you want to publish on App Store. Then you need to click the publish in the top right and copy the URL of your project. Then you need to open this website, which is called median.co, and paste your URL right here. Then click build your app. You need to name your app and click start building my app. After that, you need to wait a few seconds or a few minutes until this green line goes to the end. So we are building the app for iOS. Then you need to scroll down and choose download. Then you need to download the IPA file for iOS. But for that, you need to click on configure and you need to connect your Apple developer account to median.co. And after that, you will be able to download this IPA file, which you will use for uploading on App Store. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.